Double, double, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, fillet of finny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dove. Wait a minute, who eats this stuff?
But it's a traditional holiday feast.
Yeah, but this isn't your traditional HMR meal, I'm here to tell you. Okay folks, it's that time of year. And it's Halloween, and we're going to send the little ghouls and goblins out in their great little costumes. They're going to come back with some treats. You're going to dig through the bag. You can't do that, but I've got a great idea for us. I've got a Butterfinger shake. It's easy to make. You're going to love it. Dare you to tell the difference between that and the real thing. Sit back, relax. I'm going to go get what we need. I don't know, a little salt, pepper, oregano. Nah. Okay folks, you still with me? Okay, here's what we need to do this. This is really simple. We start off with an HMR 800 shake. There's 4 different varieties. I've tried them all. I really can't tell the difference between it, so you just choose your favorite. Next is the HMR Benefit Bar. This is the peanut butter flavor. And what I've done is I've cut that up in really small pieces so it'll blend up easy. And then the secret ingredient here is butterscotch sugar-free pudding. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all this in a blender, and it takes about a cup of crushed ice, so a handful, whatever works for you. So here we go. In goes the Benefit Bar. This takes a little bit longer than just making a traditional shake, so be patient. And in goes the pudding. And the shake mix. Blend it up. And that's all there is to it. So check this out. Nice, thick, rich and creamy. Oh yeah, it tastes just like a Butterfinger candy bar. You can find this and other recipes at www.hackleyhealthmanagement.com. This is Mixing It Up with Rich. We'll see you the next time around. You guys can chew on the bat wings. I'm going to have this.